What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com, and today I'm going to talk about Instagram and why you're probably getting shadow banned. All right, welcome back. So Instagram's been a popular subject on my channel for a number of years now. Every time I seem to do an Instagram video, it seems to go pretty viral. At least viral for my channel anyway, and I wanted to kind of bring everybody up to date on what I've been finding here and trying to figure out what's going on with the platform and whatnot, seeing if it's even really still possible to grow. And so here's what I found. All right, I'm actually on my screen here, and I'm going to go into the Instagram app, and I'm going to show you guys something here. There's a little story there. Here's where we're going to start out at. We're going to go to the home page. We're going to click on the bars on the top right here, okay? Right here, the top bars. And we're going to click on that. We're going to go into security. I'll go into settings. So the top one here is settings. So this was, let's go back, settings. So we go 3 bars, and then we go to settings, which is this first one here, settings. And then we go into security, which is right here, security. And then we're going to go into login activity, because this is where it gets interesting, okay? And notice here it's saying I'm logged in right now on my Apple iPhone in California, okay? And I'm also logged in. I'm sitting in Las Vegas, Nevada right now, and then 20 hours ago I was in Birmingham, United Kingdom, okay? This is a problem, okay? The way Instagram its algorithm is set up now with the multiple logins in different cities, it's causing my accounts to basically get shadow banned, okay? And I'm sure you've seen that message if you do anything on Instagram where you're trying to follow somebody or you're trying to like a video or a picture or something, and it says you're not allowed to like, and you're on like a penalty for whatever reason. And then on the same end of that, if you try to do a post or a story, you're not going to get the reach that you normally get reach like from the shadow bans. Basically, they limit your reach when you're on suspension or penalty, okay? So it's a big problem. And the reason I'm logging in from these different locations like Los Angeles and Birmingham is because I have softwares that we use. One of them is Storito, which is the software we use to post stories, okay, from desktop and schedule stories. And then we also have another software we use called Hopper HQ, and we use that software to post regular posts and whatnot and schedule stuff out for like weeks in advance. I have Halloween, I have New Year's, I have Vegas, I have Chicago, I have my personal brand, I have my personal profile. So constantly, I got 10 profiles growing. I have a Shopify store, actually now 11 profiles. And so it's not realistic for one person to sit here and manage all those. You have to have, I have a VA, she does all this stuff, she sets it up on like a day, she spends a whole day setting it up for like the next week. And that's how we do it. I mean, that's kind of the way everybody has to do it when you have multiple accounts and you got to post on a regular basis. So here's the problem. Instagram's seeing these other logins, and that's causing the shadow bans and the issues, okay? So I hit up Hopper HQ, and she was telling me, hey, thanks for getting back to me and explaining. Our engineers are going to start the process of relocating your accounts to a more appropriately located device so you can re-verify the Instagram accounts, and then once set up, you should be able to confirm your location as frequently, and logging in for multiple locations yourself may trigger this. So basically, it sounds like from what they're saying is that they're going to set me up on some kind of proxy or some sort in the U.S., probably close to where I live in Las Vegas, to where like if I log in from Las Vegas and maybe another location in Las Vegas, it looks like natural use, not Las Vegas, then California, and then Birmingham all within like one day. That's not realistic, okay? I mean, I guess it is realistic if you're flying, but it's like every day the same thing going on. And Instagram's not that dumb anymore. They figured out what's going on here, because they don't want you using these these softwares to like basically mimic a human posting and whatnot. But unfortunately, when you run multiple businesses, you can't spend your whole day on Instagram, okay? It's not realistic to run a business and worry about posting and all this other stuff that goes on behind the scenes with stories and stuff. You need to post on it because you want to stay active on these profiles, but you can't do it like, it's just not realistic with this many profiles. So here's another email from Storito. Indeed, we programmed a companion desktop app to make a local connection via your desktop possible. So That's Storito's response to the issue. I mean, right now it looks like I'm pretty sure this Los Angeles is still Storito. So my VA, I don't think she's figured that out yet. So I'm still need to work on that. But it looks like Storito has a rebuttal to the problem as well. So Storito, Hopper HQ realized that this is a problem. It would have been nice if they would have like informed their customers, 6 months ago, or not even. I think it was like June when this whole recent round of automation bans came along on Instagram. It would have been nice if like these companies would have reached out to me and said, hey, listen, this is going to be a problem with your accounts. Instead, I had to like sit there and wonder why my accounts kept getting shadow banned and I kept getting blocks when I wasn't running any automation tools aside from these two tools. And then I ended up doing a little bit of research on YouTube trying to figure out what's going on, and I came across somebody that's like, this is probably the reason. So it makes sense, the fact that there's multiple logins going on in different cities. Instagram's keen on that, and they're gonna shadow ban you. Okay, so that's what you do here. If you have multiple accounts or just one account and you're using any kind of these softwares, and you go into your login activity and you see this going on, you got to figure out how to not do that, because that's going to get your account shadow banned and you're not going to grow at all. You're going to be stuck in a rut. If anything, some of my accounts have been going down in the amount of followers and whatnot. So it's like you're going in the wrong direction, not the right direction. So, yeah, that's pretty much it on this video. I just wanted to show you guys about this, issue with the logins and the locations. Make sure you got that problem handled anyway. I'm going to be doing upcoming videos here shortly on how to grow your Instagram once you get this problem solved. I couldn't really grow these accounts because I've been having this damn problem for like so long. I couldn't figure out why. Now I know why I'm having this problem with the accounts getting banned, and I got to let them cool off for a little bit, and then I'm going to start growing them again with some different tools and whatnot that I've been doing some research on. And then once I get to that point, I'll go ahead and make another video once it's working, hopefully, and I'll show everybody kind of what I'm doing to grow the accounts, and you can do the same thing and model what I'm doing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today. Let me know if you have any tips for me on Instagram in the comments below, or if you like the content, I would appreciate a comment below as well. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you like it, please. It helps the Instagram, it helps the YouTube algorithm show this video to more people and gets my content out there. The channel's growing nicely, and I do appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and bang that notifications bell. We make money on this channel, and we make money online. I'm the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.